What do we got here? What are we looking at?
This is our Chariot. We're looking at Chrysler LeBaron 2.2 turbo that we're going to be cruising around LA in, and you know, note that this does not extend out to the fenders, so there's something special going on here. Something tells me this is not the stock front end, but it's quite the amalgamation of parts. All K car, but it's kind of epic.
It's pretty sweet. I like those skirts, how they kind of flare out. You notice that?
Good.
How they kind of like,
yeah, man.
look at that, how they bubble out.
Oh, yeah, you
Basically bubble flares.
Well, you basically want to be able to service your hubcaps if need be.
Yeah. Kind of like a good,
like a full,
yeah.
Yeah. Dude, we should. I'm not kidding. I think Beverly Hills is good. We get like with the signage and everything. You gotta get the Beverly Hills. 90210.
So we're rolling in the '84 Chrysler Town & Country custom job.
Custom job.
It's a custom job. And by the way, it is front wheel drive.
Just in case.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. It's all being handled.
Cool, a really cool 90s deck. Or maybe that's later. Nice controls. It's a beautiful crown.
Check out this turn radius.
2-spoke steering wheel because it's a luxury car.
Oh yeah. But you got, did you know the wood inlay too?
Has some holes in the roof. Probably not great. We did have, so we were just sitting at a breakfast spot outside, and we were right next to the car, and basically everyone that walked by would slow down to look at it. We had a guy with an DSLR camera taking pictures of it. We had people stopping right in the middle of a busy street to take pictures with their cell phones out of their car. Like, dude, this thing is like
a couple girls on. Oh my god! Just stop.
And it stalled.
Just totally cut out. Okay.
I think it's the
power steering.
When you make a turn.
Oh,
when you turn too sharp.
Oh, we gotta keep that steering angle in check.
But yeah, we got honks. We have people giving us thumbs up. Dude, this thing gets more looks than anything.
Why buy anything fancy, right?
I know.
I mean, wait, no, this is fancy. What am I?
This is the most. Yeah.
This is as fancy as it gets.
This is as fancy. Do this.
4 windows down, top down. Time to cruise.
Time to cruise.
Here we go. Just grab a napkin. Time to check the oil. We're experiencing a power loss.
Oh yeah, we didn't get the picture of the power loss on the thing.
I got a picture of it.
Oh, okay. But you only got a picture, you didn't get video.
Didn't get a video.
So there's a red warning light on the dash, and it says power loss. And it lit up in bright red. So we're checking the said oil light was on, but thinks it's good. Oh, there's some stuff.
Hello.
Nice. That's a rare car now.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Even the Popo liked this thing.
LAPD received us with a smile.
Yeah, and he said that's a rare car.
That's no?
That's good, huh?
Looks good. Smells horrible.
It looks like it probably just burns oil and they just add it a lot.
Yep.
The brine method.
The brine method.
Alright, so we all good.
That's a rare car. Alright, let's fire her up and see if
hopefully the light goes off, huh?
Let's see, Power loss still on?
Power loss is still on.
We're charging at like, I don't know, think? That's right in the middle there between 8
Yeah,
and
that's
18.
probably. I would think the middle would be correct, like a 13 something.
It's jumping back and forth. Yeah, it should be 12.
Oh, with the gas.
Yeah.
But the light's not going off.
Yeah. All right.
All
Pull
right.
out the owner's manual.
Well.
Do you want to? Are you still recording?
Yeah. What do you want?
He's gonna shove our bags in the trunk.
We don't know how to open the trunk.
Well, we'll find out. Oh, we got a manual! Dude, we got a manual.
Oh shit.
We can find out what the power loss is. Oh my god.
That's a
look at that.
luxurious manual.
That's beautiful. So detailed index. Oh, look at that! Mopar
Pretty sweet.
accessories. Is there a power loss thing? Power steering, power windows. Nope.
It wouldn't be under power or.
It'd be instrument
I was
cluster.
going to say power loss. Maybe
Cluster.
under instruments. Yeah, warnings.
Instrumentation. Instrument cluster 3. And that is, oh, power loss light. This light is operated only as a couple of 2.2 electronic fuel injection. The word loss will illuminate briefly while starting the engine to let you know that the bulb is working. If the light is illuminated and remains on while driving, it indicates that a serious drivability problem has been detected by the system diagnostics. The performance of the car may be unreliable. Wow.
You know what I
alright.
think it probably is? It's kind of like an early,
Like oxygen sensor thing,
Yeah.
or throttle
like
position
vacuum or something. You know, it's kind of like an early check engine light.
sensor. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I don't know if this thing has a check engine light.
Well, no, I'm saying it doesn't have a check engine light, but that's like in the same vein as
yeah,
a
if
check
it doesn't
engine
have one,
light.
it could be that.
So,
Well, we're cruising.
Yeah.
Look at those doggies. Dude, even the dogs like it. Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Of course the dogs like it. We let the dogs out.
We go back to Sunset
What's this
Boulevard.
guy doing, dude?
It's just living life.
Look at that Z31.
That's sick. Here we go, just losing power.
So yeah, we still have power loss, but we're gonna forge ahead. See you the next problem we have. It looks like the car came with a CD. And it's called Bella and Lulu XO MF 91417. So we'll have a listen.
3 hearts.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works. Beautiful. What more could we ask for in life, Wayne? Palm tree line,
So perfect.
boulevards, top down,
Welcome
motoring,
to LA.
Bella and Lulu.
Got Bella and Lulu on the ones and twos. How do you skip a song? Oh, there you go.
Oh, that bass. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm over this. What? Are we on Rodeo Drive?
No, should we go take pictures on Rodeo Drive?
Oh, of
that's
course
where,
we should.
that's where we take the pictures.
At the rodeo?
Let's hit up Rodeo Drive. This sounds McKeerish.
We're just jamming out in our Chrysler.
Oh yeah.
What is this?
I don't know if this is English or not,
That's what I'm wondering.
but whatever it is.
Alright, I'm gonna skip it. Oh, wow. This is awful right here. Okay. I don't know if I like this CD that much.
Yeah.
Alright. And in case you were wondering, the power loss light is still on. What road are we on, Art?
Rodeo Drive, man.
Rodeo Drive. Oops.
So we're totally fitting right in. You know, this is
Obvious.
This is the car to drive around these parts. Turbo spool? This thing's a monster. Oh, dude. Please tell me there's a spot in front of that. Please tell me there's a spot in front of that. Dude! We're gonna park in front of this. Fantastic. These hubcaps here. Perfection.
So we got prime parking space, as you see. Just a couple of sweet convertibles on Rodeo Drive. Stuff, but the bar guys are super cool. They get happy hour. Here we are at the Porsche Experience Center. There's a Panamera, what is it called? Whatever. Wagon one. Wheel moving, like under my feet. You know, like I feel everything moving around.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty loose.
And the power is like decent. It just kind of cruises. I should turn left here.
Maybe the next one. We're going north.
But it has a little vibration under acceleration.
Yeah.
It's actually, I mean, it's fairly
peppy.
Peppy.
Yeah, I think it's either like a CV or something.
It doesn't have much steering feel.
Oh no, what is that?
It does pull to the right.
How hard does it pull?
It pulls pretty hard, dude. Well,
yeah, exactly, right? You're like immediately in the opposite, like on the other lane.
But at least it doesn't pull under braking.
Nah.
Like braking's pretty straight. Oh shit, we're gonna die right now, dude.
It's possible. Almost died.
Here we are at Race Services with Kyron Bannert. Art Cervantes. Manuel Carrillo the third. Look at him. And I think Manuel just fell in love. Did you fall in love, yes. Manuel? Yeah. Fell in love with a Chrysler.
Chrysler. Yeah. I need to talk to Rob.
I know, huh? Like a real race car, hardcore man's race car, and a robot race car, no driver needed. That's so weird. First car ever. Manual. How much do you love this thing?
Fucking love
Stop
it.
on it!
No.
Dude, it is a turbo, guys, so you don't really have to worry that much.
I feel so good about my life right now.
Oh, yeah.
So
We're driving in the town and country with Manuel Carrillo the third and Kyron Bannert.
This is how you live, son.
Hell yeah.
Throw a U-ball, dude.
I feel like I'm the Fear and Loathing Las Vegas cover photo right now.
No, you feel like
throw U-ball.
You feel like you've made it. Is what
Throw
you
throw U-ball, Emmanuel.
Why is he turning into my
Here's just...
Oh, are you getting me to the nearest in and out?
Yeah, so throw a U-ball there.
Okay,
It's called a U-turn, but whatever.
Sorry, Lane.
Oh man.
Yeah, it goes, dude. It pulls to the right, so be careful. Life doesn't get much better than this, kids.
This is fine.
Well, I don't know about the brakes though, dude.
Brakes are alright, dude.
All right.
We're gonna do a couple panic stops today.
Oh no, can't stop.
McGram, what the hell does that mean?
Dude, they're all about, it's Mommy Graham. She's all about the Instagram.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I got the radio work.
Whoa.
I don't know if it hit CD.
Yeah.
This is how you live life. You pump yourself full of tacos, the chorizo, the carne asada, the pollo. Then you get in this piece of fine Corinthian leather machinery. You go for a night in the town, and you have one of the most memorable experiences of your life. This is the embodiment of Radwood living.
So you gonna kick this thing's ass out or what?
Oh, I love it. This guy.